Hi, I wanted to share one tip and trick I'm using as people are often asking me, and I see talking about that one in many places, which is the best tool to use. Is it Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, Grok, or any other? And the trick is I'm actually using all of them, different AI assistants, but each assistant has a few different projects, gems, GPTs, or whatever, depending on the environment, how to utilize them and to increase productivity. The magic is I'm using this business context file all across all of the tools. And I'll show you quickly, this is just a few of the projects in Claude, for example, strategic partner, thought leadership copy creation, marketing reporting assistant, and interpretation and stuff. Then customer insight extractor, content machine, synthetic user, which is basically I talk with our customers. And what all of them have in common is that they all have this AI-ready business context file, which basically is what THEO creates from different documents, sources, consolidates, extracts, organizes, so it clearly explains the business DNA and the scope, and it's really consolidated, clear version in one document, and you can take it with you anywhere. And that is what enables me to manage and utilize all of those tools super fast and super high quality. For example, in Grok, I have again the same file, set up the same for in here, system instructions and file as the foundation. ChatGPT is the same, again, ICP separately, but business context file as the main one. And I'm actually using even for automations, Zapier and Make, again, with the transcript. Then I fetched some specific information from the context file through API, and again, do the prompt afterwards. And whenever I need to change something, I'm doing it through one centralized way. Instead of going and maintaining different files all across the place, I'm doing it from one central hub. In this case, THEO. You might do it manually, semi-manually, or any other way. Either I go through and edit them manually. Either now we have this cool AI change refinement. I can create a comment and it goes through and make sure it's implemented correctly all around the place. And then whenever I update it, all I have to do, I just have to replace that one file, right? So it's easy transferable between different AI assistants and AI tools. It's easy transferable to different projects, custom GPTs, gems, or workspaces, or whatever they're called. And actually, it's even as easy to transfer to colleagues or other team members who might be using other tools, right? It doesn't matter, it's platform agnostic, and you can use it all around the places. If anything changes, you upgrade and you just re-upload. And even the re-uploading, we are working on making this one easier through using a browser extension. In this case, so it's easier to launch new custom GPT and re-upload. So that's going to be more automated as well. But I can't stop wondering how people are frustrated and spending too much time on actually trying to get out of AI's assistants. They should be able to utilize it and get much more out of those AI assistants. But for many reasons, because of the lack of time or skills, they're like just scratching the surface. In this case, you can get both. You can get the accuracy and depth of the business context and the transferability across different tools and the maintenance. That's all I wanted to share, but I'll share some tips about each specific custom GPT or the context management itself. But yeah, that's it for now. Thanks.